Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to put an identity ring on the young pigeons. These are this year's colour blue, and each ring has a number showing the year of its birth. As you can see it there, 2021, GB for Great Britain, a letter P, and then it has the identification number, which is registered to me. So without further ado, that's the rings. And here I have the two young birds that are around about 5 days old now. They've just started to open their eyes. So these are only 5 days old. So we're going to start by placing this ring on this leg of this young pigeon, and that will be its identity. So to ring the pigeon, we lift them like so. We lift them upside down, we get a leg here, and we place the ring. That's why it's important. It has to be done at a certain age, because as the feet grow, the ring then will not be able to be put on because of the size of the foot. So we put the free toe together, we pull it through, and then we pull the back toe through. So now the ring is on the pigeon, and that, as the foot grows bigger, that will stay on for life. So that's his life ring now. So now this young baby has his life ring on, and I'll just quickly do its nestmate. There's always two young birds. The pigeons lay 2 eggs. So again, I will lift him upside down. I always ring him on the right leg, and very quickly I will place the ring on the foot. Pull his back claw through, and that's again, he's now got his identity ring on, and that remains on him for life. And I think this one is a female, and the nestmate, he's a male. And how I sex these at a young age is the back of the pigeon is like a smiley face. That's a male, and he's after some food now. Look, he wants to be fed. You can actually see the food in his crop, the milk. He's just coming on to a stage now where the parents are transforming it onto solid corn. So at the minute he's still on milk. I can feel 1 or 2 pieces of solid corn now in there. He's 5 to 6 days old, and you can see when I touch his beak, he wants to be fed. So without further ado, and this one, the female, and the female has a smiley vent, so a sad vent, and you can see that the young bird is wanting to be fed. You can see the milk in the crop. That's the identity ring on, so they're on now for life. I will make a note of them in my book, and that'll tell us who their parents are. So as you can see, they're quite very young, so you have to ring the young pigeons before they're 7 to 8 days old, otherwise you will not get that ring on its foot. So there's the rings again for this year, and these rings are registered in my name at the Royal Racing Pigeon Association. So if that pigeon was to get lost when it's older and it goes into another loft, they will be able to report the ring number, and then then they will give whoever has the pigeon my address details. So a quick video, guys, just to show you how we ring the baby pigeon before the foot gets too big and the ring will come off. But now that's the ideal age. The ring will not come off in the nest now because this bit's too small. They're at the right age. For me, between 5 and 7 days old is ideal. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. Please comment, like and subscribe.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.